guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of my sweet aroma diffuser from Young Living. The packaging has a very nice design in its pastel blue color. As you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the manual. Along with the manual is a white small box where it contains the power cord of the diffuser. The diffuser is enclosed in a custom egg tray-like protector. The diffuser is in a blue and white color accent, small enough to be carried by one hand. Together with the diffuser, I also have two essential oils, both from Young Living. I have here lemon and lavender. The diffuser is divided into two parts. The upper part serves as the lid, and the lower part is where you put the water and the essential oil. The diffuser has an indicator of how much water should you put inside it. After putting in water, I'll be dropping few drops from my essential oil. In this video, I'll be choosing lavender. Now, I'll plug in the power cord. The diffuser has two buttons. One button for power on and off, and another button if you want to switch the light colors of the diffuser. The experience was totally refreshing and relaxing as we use it inside our faculty, making this place a relaxing workplace.